What if you could build an extra stream of income? Not next year, not someday, but right now in 2025, using nothing more than your laptop and artificial intelligence. Forget generic advice. In this video, I am going to walk you through 5 AI-powered side hustles that are already making people money. Without the fluff, without the hype, let us dive straight into it. You know, all those long podcasts, YouTube videos, and webinars, they are a goldmine for short-form content. With tools like Vidyo.ai, Pictory, and Clip, you can turn long content into viral shorts, reels, and TikToks for clients. Automatically, all you need to do is upload the raw video, select the best moments with AI assistance, and export them for social media. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Charge per clip or offer monthly packages, and you have yourself a profitable, scalable gig. Voice synthesis has exploded. With tools like ElevenLabs or PlayHT, you can create ultra-realistic voiceovers for audio, YouTube videos, explicable content, or even foreign language dubs. Find authors who want to turn their ebooks into audiobooks, or content creators who need a consistent narrator voice. Your job. Convert their scripts into premium quality voiceovers using AI and charge a production fee. Bonus, you never have to speak a word yourself. AI tools like Durable, Framer AI, and Webflow AI Assistant are turning non-coders into web developers overnight. You can launch simple landing pages, portfolio sites, or local business websites, all in under 30 minutes. Charge clients $200, $1,000 per site. Offer copywriting with ChatGPT and logos with Looker AI or Logo Mackay AI, and suddenly you are offering an entire digital branding package. Even better, you can upsell hosting, domain setup, or SEO as a. This one is both high impact and easy to start. Using ChatGPT with resume templates, you can offer customized resumes, and written cover letters for job seekers. Market on LinkedIn, Fiverr, or even in college groups. Package options: basic resume plus cover letter, and resume review with one-on-one feedback. Once you create a system, it is semi-passive, and people are willing to pay for anything that helps them land a job. This is where tech meets money. With platforms like Trade Ideas AI, Caveout, and Composer Finance, you can use AI to build backtest and even automate stock and crypto strategies. You do not need to be a Wall Street analyst. Instead, you can create and sell custom strategy templates, run Discord channels with AI signals, or even offer paid newsletter subscriptions, where AI curates the insights. Important note: always disclose risks. Financial markets are volatile, and you should not promise returns. These 5 AI side hustles are not theoretical. They are working in 2025, and they are only going to grow. You do not need to build the next open. You just need to learn how to leverage existing tools to solve real problems and provide value. If this video opened your eyes to something you had not considered, hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives on AI, finance, and smart income strategies. This is Byte to Bank, where digital productivity becomes real money.